Hello, my name is Kentrell Ziegler, and this is my presentation on data loss prevention. What is DLP? Data loss prevention, or DLP, is a strategy and set of technologies that organizations use to prevent unauthorized access, leaks, or loss of sensitive data. The goal is to protect information assets from accidental or malicious exposure. DLP includes a variety of techniques such as network-based, endpoint, and cloud-based solutions, each designed to secure data across different parts of an organization's IT infrastructure. Why is DLP so important today? With the rise of cyber threats, organizations across all sectors, from healthcare to finance, are realizing that protecting sensitive data is a top priority. Beyond the technical side, DLP is about protecting brand reputation and maintaining customer trust. The risks are high, and without a DLP solution, businesses are vulnerable to breaches and data misuse. DLP solutions work by implementing three main mechanisms: monitoring, content discovery, and policy enforcement. Content discovery scans and classifies data across the organization. Monitoring involves tracking data movement across devices, networks, and even cloud. Finally, policy enforcement applies rules that restrict unauthorized access or sharing. By combining these mechanisms, DLP solutions create a structured approach on data protection. There are three primary components of DLP solutions: network DLP, cloud DLP, and endpoint DLP. Endpoint DLP secures data on devices like laptops and phones. Network DLP monitors data as it moves through the organization's networks, while cloud DLP protects data stored in or shared via cloud services. Together, these components provide a layered defense, ensuring sensitive data is safe wherever it's located. There are three primary components of DLP solutions: endpoint DLP, network DLP, and cloud DLP. Endpoint DLP secures data on devices like laptops and phones. Network DLP monitors data as it moves through the organization's networks, while cloud DLP protects data stored in or shared via cloud services. Together, these components provide a layered defense, ensuring sensitive data is safe wherever it's stored. Data loss prevention also plays a crucial role in regulatory compliance. Laws like GDPR in Europe and HIPAA in the US mandate that organizations safeguard sensitive data. Non-compliance can lead to heavy fines and significant reputational damage. DLP tools help these organizations automate these compliance efforts by monitoring, tracking, and reporting on data handling according to regulatory requirements. Despite its benefits, DLP isn't without challenges. False positives, for example, can cause legitimate actions to be flagged as threats, disrupting workflow. Additionally, as organizations grow, scaling the DLP solutions to accommodate more data and users becomes complex. Finally, there's often a delicate balance between security and productivity. Too strict of a policy with your DLP can hinder users' ability to perform their work efficiently. Let's look at some data that demonstrates DLP's impact. Studies show that organizations using DLP have seen a 50% reduction in data breaches. The financial impact is also significant, with average cost savings of 30% by preventing all these incidents before they escalate. For instance, a financial institution that implemented DLP saw a 60% decrease in data leakage, highlighting DLP's effectiveness in reducing risk. These real-world examples underscore both the value and necessity of DLP solutions. Morgan Stanley's robust DLP strategy enabled it to prevent potential breaches and stay compliant, safeguarding its clients' trust and avoiding data-related penalties. In contrast, there's a company that's named Anthem who had a breach which exposed 80 million information from 80 million individuals and could have potentially been prevented with DLP, which might have flagged the phishing access or restricted data transmission. Target's retail breach affected 40 million customers and cost them millions in settlements and upgrades. DLP could have monitored data from POS systems, reducing or preventing the data loss. Finally, the Equifax breach exposed sensitive information of nearly half the U.S. population. Proper DLP monitoring might have flagged suspicious data transfers containing the breach before it escalated. These cases illustrate how vital DLP is for protecting both data and reputation. Looking to the future, new technologies like AI-driven DLP and predictive analytics are enhancing data security. AI can improve detection accuracy and reduce false positives, while predictive analytics helps anticipate risky behaviors. Another trend is a zero trust model, which demands strict identity verification even for internal users, offering additional layers of protection. As cyber threats evolve, so will DLP. We can expect DLP to integrate more closely with broader security strategies, incorporating advanced tools like SIM and UEBA to provide comprehensive protection. In an increasingly cloud-based world, DLP will be essential to secure data assets, supporting digital transformation. DLP is not just about preventing loss today. It's about future-proofing data protection in the digital age.